Well, good afternoon and welcome back. I'm LJ with today's adventure stop, and this is Edgar. You might be wondering what he's staring at. It's his toy. So we're here in the city of Cypress, California, in northern Orange County, and we're here for another hotel room tour to check this out. We're at today's adventure at the Hyatt House. I had to always think that. I keep wanting to say Hyatt Place, but Hyatt House. And actually, it's a nice little place. I was staying across the street at the extended stay, which you kind of get the reputation and stigma of extended stays. They're not great. They're usually pretty cheap, and you get what you pay for. But across the street, I've paid an average of about $120, $130 a night. This, however, was about $150 a night, and I thought I'll spring for a little bit more, and it was well worth it, my friends. Are you ready for today's room tour? Come on, let's go. And right off the bat, Edgar here, my buddy, is very happy to be here as he intently stares at his toy. So as we make our entrance here, we're currently on the first floor. They hooked us up. This here is the King Suite. So I guess they said, hey, you know what? We don't have a lot of guests today, and we're gonna hook you up today, get you a little upgrade, and wow, what an upgrade. So I have a few of my bags here. This is the living room area, and it has a nice LG flat screen TV mounted here. I would estimate that's around probably about 50 inches or so, which is super nice. You have a sectional with the ottomans that are included here. Let's see, I'm assuming these are probably sleepers, and yes, my friends, they are. So if you have extra guests and you don't want them to be in that room over there with you, get out of here and get in that main room and get to sleep, or whatever you want to do. But this is really cool because it comes with a dinette too, and this is pretty nice. It's pretty fancy. It reminds me of the a lot of the Disney upgraded resort room tours that I've done, kind of like at the Animal Kingdom at the Kidani Resort, where pretty much all of the glasses, cups, utensils are all included. And yeah, my friends, I stayed again across the street at the extended stay, and you actually have to request these at the front desk if you want them. But here, it's kind of expected, it's included. So coffee maker for the morning there, I definitely will need that because it's going to be an early morning. Oh, look at that, roll of paper towels, a little cleaning brush there, empty drawer in that one, little trash can receptacle in there. Ooh, pots and pans. I like to say I like to cook, but I'm going to take you outside here shortly and show you what amenities are. And again, you might stay at a different Hyatt House, I always want to say Hyatt Place, Hyatt House hotel. However, this one in particular, if you are searching and the algorithm brought you here, there's a Chili's literally within like 100 feet of this place, and a nice pho place that I've been to many times called Pho May. But yeah, nice and clean. I am very impressed, minus the little streaky parts here, but otherwise, wow, very impressive. Hey, speaking of which, that reminds me, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Do me a favor and subscribe down below. Give this video a nice like and thumbs up because it helps the algorithm share it with more awesome people like you from throughout the world, and take it one step further and turn on notifications. Thanks. And oh, that Edgar buddy, very focused on your toy. So this is cool. It's a nice little next to the thermostat here. You have a little accent wall. Hang your little hooky deals if you want to put your keys or a jacket up there. It has a little magnet board up there. Super cool and modern. I really like this a lot. It's nice. It's got the, ooh, that feels like it's real. Like it's quartz countertop. You have a nice little desk chair there that I can probably do some work on. Look at me, I have a chair.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. King in the castle, king in the castle. Have a chair, I have a chair. Oh, go do this, go do this. King in the castle.
And a lower one if you want to actually use that like a bar stool to eat your food. And here we have double entry doors to open up to the King Suite. Would you take a look at that nice giant bed? Ooh, fancy linens. You really do get what you pay for. This is totally worth the extra 50 bucks staying right across the street. Wow, a clock radio. A lot of places don't have that anymore, so that's one little tip. Just always be sure you check and see what time the alarm is set, because oftentimes people will set alarms on you, waking you up at an hour you really don't want to wake up to. Over here we have another second TV, an LG. Looks like it's slightly smaller, probably around 43 inches is what I would estimate. You have your little dresser there, and these cool window shades that looks out to the parking lot there. It's got some nice big birds of paradise out there. Yeah, nice. What a difference. You know, this is kind of why I like staying in Orange County rather than LA. They do charge $7 to park here, but that sure beats LA, where I was paying at a La Quinta Inn. I was paying like $45 per night by LAX airport, which is pretty ridiculous if you ask me. But for here, since they actually do have roving security, it's well worth the $7 for me to pay that extra fee, I think. Oh, wait, okay, so I'm a little confused. Oh, wait. Oh, I was going to say, wait. Okay, so this is a deadbolt here, so it normally would be locked. And I was going to say, yep, it is the HVAC unit. That probably should be locked, but because it's a deadbolt. But yeah, okay, in there. Otherwise, this is the, hey, this is the closet. Extra blanket and pillow, luggage rack, ironing board, and the iron, hangers. And no, well, they might do laundry service, but I usually use those for my dirty clothes, to be honest, and I think most of you do as well. Close that up, and our little sink area here, pretty cool. You have a backlit vanity mirror, another quartz countertop, a little bit darker in color, hair dryer down below, of course all the other amenities that you need, extra towels, hand towels, face towels. In here, would you take a look at this? Very nice. Very modern looking shower. There's the air vent, of course, the commode, and the shower. It's got those cool modern rolling roller doors with the tempered glass. Got the bath mat right there. And well, it's clean, but it's got the, you know, not the soap scum, but you know, the, what do you call it, the calcified residue on there that's usually really hard to get up, so I'm not too concerned with that. It's clean, it's just calcified. But nice modern shower, very impressed. And the shower gel, shampoo, conditioner mounted to the wall. And look, there's another bath mat to keep you from slipping. So those little extra touches that I like, that actually makes your stay really nice. You know, you are kind of paying a premium because hotel stays aren't nearly as cheap as they used to be, so it's definitely nice having those little extra amenities. Hey, so I'm LJ with today's adventure stop here from Cypress, California at the Hyatt House Hotel. If you like today's video, give it a nice like and thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome, do me a favor and subscribe down below, and we'll see you on the next one. And check this out, a little bit of bonus footage. Remember I was telling you there's a Chili's right behind us? There it is, literally right there. So you're walking right out that door, and there's the Chili's. And right over here, off my shoulder, there's all sorts of other food. There's like a, what is it, a California fish grill right there, and a really good pho place right over there that's really decent. See you next time, guys.